Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here back with yet another diecast car video, and in today's video we will be checking out the Tarmac Works Mercedes-Benz C63 AMG Coupe Black Series. And here is the box, very nice, a new release for 2025, sorry, not new casting but new color. So yeah, we've seen this car a lot of times back in the past, but then didn't really manage to do videos of it. I have one colored in orange, and yeah, that's the only one that I have. This one is now in matte black, as you can see. So this is the Black Series, as you may know. When AMG produces the Black Series, is basically one of their top performance models, which is one, more expensive, two, gives out more performance. So yeah, here's the box, very nice. We have the AMG C63 right here, Tarmac C63 Coupé Black Series. We have this nice looking background with some pillars, I would say. A lot of beautiful pillars at the background, colored in white with white base right there. You have the Tarmac Works logo right there. Some more pillars. Here is the back side of the car again. Over on the top, colored in black, logo 64 right there. Tarmac Works, Tarmac for good, and moving towards the bottom. Tarmac Works manufactured, blah blah blah. Your Tarmac Works your socials. Mercedes-Benz logo, right? Sorry, not logo, but licensing right there. Mercedes-Benz C63 AMG Coupe Black Series matte black and made in China. There's your barcode right there. Yeah, that's all. Let's go ahead and open this up. It's in this matte black color, which is great. Really do like the color that it comes in. Hold on, let me just... yeah. So here we have the car in a solid matte black color. So yeah, full decked out matte black paint job right here. Love the detailing on the car. Of course, you do have headlights and rear lights, as per usual. Lensed headlights and rear lights. Very clean, nice looking matte black car. So you do have a front grille detailing right there. And then also some rear detailing as well. You do have the rear spoiler right there at the back as well. Kind of mentioned, forget to mention that. So we've seen this car released before a couple of times. We've seen it released back a year ago, I think. I know this one Lamely edition, if I'm not mistaken. This one in orange. This one in I believe red, blue, white. Oh, I already mentioned white. I think there's one in Gumball 3000 every, I think, if I'm not mistaken. What else? Yeah, I believe those are all the colors. I'm not sure if there's more or not. But yeah, this AMG C63 is very nice looking Logo 64 car. Yeah, but of course, yeah, if you don't know, Logo 64, they like a bit of details, especially when it comes to the disc brakes and all. Those are not included most of the time. So yeah, this Logo 64 C63 in matte black is a very nice looking two-door. Many of you out there are a fan of these C63s, the older range model, which is this one. But let's go ahead and take a close look at our Mercedes-Benz C63 AMG. So here is the side of the car. So we start from the back here. We do have the gas cap right there. We have the rear and front tires right here, with a silver lining as well as rubber tires, by the way. Very nice, both on front and back. We have a sleek design on the side right here. We do have the door handle right there. A very nice looking side profile right there. Matte black side mirror. Oh, sorry, it's not matte black, it's just rubber. So it's just a rubber side mirror, so yeah. Moving towards the front of the car, we do have lens transparent headlights. Regular front grille right here with the silver tipped outlining. Mercedes logo right there, Mercedes badge again. Then you do have some diffusers at the bottom right here, which are nice. Over on the top of the hood, you do see a massive front hood with some intakes right here as well. And then moving towards the interior, sorry, the windshield. Regular windshield tint, blacked out interior, and it's left-hand drive, so yeah, it's a very nice one. Blacked out interior, and the blacked out seats as well. Roof-wise, nothing changed. It's just yeah, no like sunroof or anything. It's just an empty roof for now, which is nice. Over on this side of the car, you have pretty much the same thing, nothing much is a difference. Except, yeah, basically the whole thing is the same, very nice. And moving towards the back, you do have the rear window right here, which is nice. You can see the interior of the car right there. So a plastic rear spoiler right here, which is matte black, colored right there. And really plastic, yeah. Rear lights right here, nice transparent, colored in red. Mercedes logo, AMG license plate right there. Twin exhaust tips on each side, and then that's it. Over towards the base right here, matte black metal base. Tarmac Works logo right there. 1/64 scale Mercedes-Benz C63 AMG Black Series made in China. And yes, there are screws if you do want to customize this car, if you want to maybe swap the wheels or anything, change the color of the car, up to you. You can basically unscrew it easily. Oh, sorry. So yeah, quite a nice car in matte black. We barely see Mercedes in matte black by Tarmac Works. So this might be the first, who knows? So yeah, the AMG C63 Coupé Black Series is quite a nice looking model to have. And yeah, I really do suggest you guys to go get it if you do want to have an AMG C63. But yeah, I guess that's all for me to say. I don't really have anything else much to say about this car. But once again, thank you guys for watching. This is my video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.